Stop wasting months trying to build a hair business from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you the lazy way to launch a Shopify hair business with less stress and get your first sale faster. Step 1 is to pick your hair sample to promote. Your sample becomes your marketing tool. Film unboxings, close-up and shots, install videos, and honest reviews to build trust. Don't try to sell every texture on day one. Pick one best seller. I recommend like wet and wavy since it's summertime. Take your own photos and videos and create content before your store launches. Step 2 is to find a reliable vendor. Choose a trusted vendor that offers quality hair, fast shipping, and a low minimum order quantity. And the reason why we are doing this step next, is because when you go to the vendor and if you want to pick a sample, you already know which sample you want to get. You don't want to order everything. Just pick one of what, season and what's hot so you can stay focused. And if you want to skip the hardest part of starting a hair business, check out my Done For You Shopify hair stores in the description. Each package comes with a professional design Shopify website, product pages already set up, the vendor already synced, and it pretty much makes your store look premium. We even include a step-by-step marketing guide so you know exactly how to promote your hair business, and we can even include a free sample from the vendor. So click the link in the description to find your package that's right for you so you can launch your hair business faster. Step 3 is to build your Shopify store. Set up your store, add your products, write simple descriptions, and make sure your checkout is working before you launch. Now, don't freak out. Shopify is not expensive. They even have starter plans for $1. So be sure to check out Shopify. It's going to be the best platform, especially if you're dropshipping or wholesale, but definitely recommend Shopify. Step 4 would be to use a pre-launch strategy. Now, before officially launching, or even posting your hair on social media, make sure you have a strategy. Of course, collect emails. You want to make sure you have an outline of how you will promote the hair before you even obviously officially launch. Because if you just launch and you don't promote it, you don't have even a strategy in place, you won't be making sales. Don't just use the vendor's photos, okay? Actually market the actual hair, create a type of lifestyle photo shoot or video. You're not really selling the hair, you're selling the look that comes with it. You know what I'm saying? Step 5 is launch and keep marketing. Open your store, post content consistently. Literally, if you do not post about your business, people will not know. The easy part is starting. The hardest part is marketing and getting them sales. But if you're consistent, you keep on looking in your analytics and keep strategizing, you will make that sale. Stock photos will only take you so far. They want to see the hair, how it works. You got to hop on camera. Even if you want to be faceless, get with an influencer. Now, I do hope this video was helpful. All links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.